My brushes finally came in. I'm so excited to do this video. I have been sitting on these for 3 days now. I've been waiting to open them so that I can open them in front of you, and then I'm gonna do a full face of makeup using these brushes. Let's dive in. Ooh, so these are the BK brushes that I ordered just separately, and then this is the BK Beauty Nikki LA Rose Pro Artist Series 7-piece brush set. So excited! This is the 202 Defined Crease. Create more definition and precision with the 202 Defined Crease brush. Use the tip to pick up the eyeshadow and apply in the outer corners of the eye or blend into the crease. The tapered tip will provide more precision, yet blend out the edges. The next BK brush that I got individually was the 204 Smudger. Turn your eyeshadow into a smoky eyeliner using this brush. Its firm, dense shape will pick up the shadow and apply it to mimic an eyeliner with a softer effect. You can also use this brush to smudge out cream liners. This brush is the 207 Pencil Blender, the brush that makes outer corner definition a technique anyone can tackle. Use it to apply your darker shade, then blend with the 202, 201, or 206 brush. This brush also works great for a diffused, smoky lower lash. So those were the 3 individual brushes that I ordered. And now I'm going to open up the 7-piece set. Now this is Nikki LA Rose Pro Artist Series 7-piece brush set, the ultimate multitasking and multi-purpose tool that allows you to be your own pro. These are just stunning. I'm so excited. This is the N11. The N11 is a large angle brush that makes creating a wing liner seamless and easy. One stroke wing liner. The N12 Ultimate Smudger. This brush will really help you master your eye makeup and give you a pro look. It blends pencil liner, smudges, and defines not only eye looks, but this brush is also amazing for shaping the lips. N13 Precision Pro Blender. This brush is designed specifically for deep set eyes, mature eyes, and small eyes. The tapered end of the brush will allow you to easily blend into hard to reach areas. N14 Petite Precision Multitasker. The N14 is Nikki's little magic wand. There's nothing this brush can't do or fix. She designed it specifically to help apply, blend, set, and touch up any small or hard to reach areas of the face. N15 Precision Medium Powder. A multi-purpose powder brush that can be used in so many ways. The tapered tip allows for easy blending and can help you achieve a soft, contoured look. Nikki loves to use this brush for all powder bronzer applications. The tapered end makes it easy to blend product into the hairline and near the ears. This brush will also give you a beautiful and natural foundation application. N16 Pro Concealer. This brush makes concealer application a breeze. The triangle tip lines up perfectly with the inner corner of the eye, making concealer application foolproof, while making fine-tuning and cleaning up other areas of the face quick and easy. N17 Multi Pro Face, a multitasking powerhouse. This dual-sided paddle brush allows you the freedom to use it with creams, liquids, and powders. The fibers are silky and glide effortlessly across the face, while the end of the brush is a great tool for buffing and blending out any edges of your makeup application. Okay, so now that we have gone through everything that these brushes do, let's try them out. I'm going to use the N16 concealer brush. going to use the 202 BK brush, and I'm going to start with the light color here. I'm going to use this color next. Wow, that's all I gotta say. I'm so excited that I got these. Super, super excited. Okay, so now I'm going to take my next color, go a little lower and focusing more on the side. This is a nice palette. I don't know why I don't use it more often. I think I got it from Marshall's, to be honest. I mean, I'm loving these brushes. Can you guys hear the excitement? Like, seriously? I am so loving these brushes. Now I'm going to use the Nikki LA Rose, and this is N13, and I'm going to use this one to blend. So I'm going to use circular motions. So for this one, I'm going to use my finger. This one is like a shimmer gold color. I'm just going to use my finger for this one. Now I'm going to use the 207 BK brush, and I'm going to take that medium color that I used and just put a little bit on the tip. I'm going to grab the 204 and I'm going to grab the darkest color and I'm going to stamp it to make like an eyeliner. Then I'm going to take the N11, it's the angled brush, and see the black here. I'm going to attempt this, guys. I'm going to try and make a wing. How'd I do? Now, can we get the other side to match? No, no. Okay, that side, I kind of screwed up a little bit. Foundation. I'm going to use this side of the N17 brush and I'm going to really work it in. So I just poured it into my hand. Neck. I like it. Definitely like it. Now I'm going to use the N15. I really like this blush. Really leaning into the cream blushes and contour and bronzer. Okay, and now I'm going to use my Stila. This one is Sun-Kissed Bronze. Now, this is a bronze, not a contour, but I use it as contour. This is the N14, and this is Petite Precision Multitasker. Sister, brother-in-law, mother, and my sister's 2 sons are on their way here because they're actually helping my mother move this weekend. So excited to see them all. It's been a year since I've seen my sister and her husband, and it's been a couple months since I've seen my mother. So very, very excited for that. Now, the same brush that I used for the blush, I'm going to use for my highlight. And then I always like doing a little on the forehead and down. is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyone interested in purchasing the BK brushes or the Nikki LA Rose brushes, the links will be in the description below. I am not an affiliate, so I do not get any commission. I just really was excited to try their brushes, and now that I have them, I'm super excited and I'm super happy with them. I think they do a phenomenal job, and I think with more and more practice, I will become a pro. Wishful thinking. Thank you guys all so much for watching. If any of you haven't done so yet, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, ring the bell so that you will be notified of my upcoming videos. Also, if you liked this video and you like me, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much more than you know. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.